Are you getting it? Do you need some help? You only have one in.
Huh?
You only have one in.
Mommy, the brush.
Yes, honey. If you're going to throw them away, though, make sure you're done playing with them. We don't need that off. Don't leave that alone. Leave that alone. What do you have? Are you drinking from a specimen cup? Can you say specimen? Other way. Other way. Yep. Nope. That way. Yep. Keep going. Keep going.
Mommy, did it?
Do you want it off?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes.